Hey, it's me!
Hey, the ink ain't dry yet.
Oh.
All right, let's get to work on the next one.
I thought you boys might enjoy some milk and cookies.
Oh, thanks, Mom, but we're not very hungry, and besides, the cookies might spoil my dinner.
Why, what is Pockets doing?
Oh, he's, trying to get rid of the hiccups.
Yeah, he's got a bad case of the hiccups. Hiccups.
Oh, well, I'll just put this over here.
All right.
Dinner will be in a little while.
Okay, thanks for the cookies, Mom. Oh, that was close. All right, let's get back to work.
Oh! There. Did that cure Pockets' hiccups?
Oh, yeah, Mrs. C. I'm sure they got rid of them.
Well, good. That remedy always worked for Richard.
Thanks, Mom. I'm sorry, she's gone for good now.